In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete Instagram chat on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then tap at that icon to open up your chats. After that, we can scroll down or up until we find a conversation we would like to delete, and then we need to swipe to the left just like that, and then tap at delete. It will ask you if you really want to permanently delete this chat. Just tap at delete. That's how you can easily delete Instagram chat on your iPhone.